Turning down the TV, that's how I start off my vlogs, and looking rough as usual. I have leftover makeup. Ponytail actually looked cute today. This is the second day hair. It looked all fluffy and effortless, but now it's just flat and gone. So here's what I want to do. The couch is being delivered tomorrow. Tonight, I want to spend some time kind of cleaning some of this up. I'm so glad. It has been a couple weeks now. I'm ready for seating, and it will also give me the opportunity to determine if I want to buy this chair that I want to buy, which I think I do. There really is a space for it. I'm not going to really focus on this space right now. I'm going to focus on the upstairs. I haven't really been up there at all, and it just desperately needs some organizing and attention. I'm not gonna do any sort of finishing in this video because I need storage bins. I have to actually take things out of the cardboard boxes and get them organized. I have no furniture for my craft room. I actually was going to bring the furniture that was in my craft room, and then my daughter and I talked about it a few times because it was really hard for me to let go of that furniture. It was her childhood furniture. I think we kept two pieces, the nightstand and then the tall chest, which is going to go in a closet. So the desk didn't come, and then the dresser with the mirror didn't come, and that honestly about killed me. But I knew, I was just like, well, where am I going to put it? Because I am getting all new furniture for the craft room. My bedroom furniture, I've repeated 1,000 times, so I'm sorry if you are over it, but that furniture is going to be the guest bedroom furniture, and there was just no place for that other stuff. And I knew that I just had to, I didn't have to, I really didn't. I could have probably figured something out, but it's neither here nor there. So basically, I just kind of want to go back upstairs, assess the damage, and try to get things into places, start maybe organizing into the closets, and start figuring out where my Christmas stuff is gonna go. And this is the new situation that's going on. There's just stuff everywhere, and it needs to be cleaned up. Here's the progress. Doesn't really look like much, but we got some stuff that was, fall in the guest bedroom. I got this whole thing cleared away. There was stuff all right here, and there was stuff all right here, but you didn't see me clear that out, but you couldn't even walk into this space. And then there's no real organization happening there right now. I'm just trying to focus on getting things in its proper location as best as possible, but then organizing it and making it look pretty will be separate videos. But so far, this is really good progress. I made super good progress on this space. You can just see there's absolutely no more crazy boxes everywhere, but to be fair, they're just in other places. Really, what I really wanted to achieve today was moving things around and into the best possible place for right now. That bag over there contains my, I forget what it's called, but it basically hooks to surround sound, but I don't have surround sound in this house. I had it in the last house. So I don't know if I'll install surround sound or what I'm doing, but it just has that box for it in there. I also did not just use it for surround sound. Wait, no, yeah, I did. I don't even know what the hell I'm saying. That's the cable box. I need a new TV. I need a TV stand. Talked about all that before. And then these boxes right here, I set them here because I want to go through them. So there's just photo albums and stuff, and I don't want to put photo albums away in storage. I want to go ahead and start, putting them out. And, so my daughter and friends and family, when they're up here, they can just kind of like go down memory lane. Over here, I just have the sofa table, just like the setup-ish, the last house. Blanket. I brought this up here. I thought I would put blankets on it. I'm not sure if it's going to go there. I think a tree, some greenery right there will be nice. This, I've actually been looking for this for years. It was in a box in the garage, and it actually has some really old photos, like back in the day when you had to go and get them developed. So, yeah, so I'm going to go through those as well. Are the pillows that I'm going to recover, maybe. I think I probably will, because I think I want to get rid of these. They were just very cheap from the at-home store. I really like them, but they lose their form a lot, and those pillows back there are super nice. So what I'll end up doing is I'll just end up getting covers that have this, wheat looking color, and then cover those up with that color. I think I'm going to stick with the navy that I have going on up here. But I don't know, because I'm going to do my downstairs in the same colors, and I want to use this time to like change up some colors, but I really don't know what other colors to use. I don't like to decorate with pink, teal, purple. Yeah, I don't know, maybe. So I love navy, I love cream, I love green. I don't think I would do black. I just don't know, you guys. What other? Orange? I don't think I'm gonna do orange either. Over in this room, this is the guest bedroom closet. I started thinking, okay, let me put in some of my fall decor and Halloween decor, but it's not gonna fit because I have some more boxes behind me. And then, I put my daughter's mums over here, and I really need some space so that if I have someone sleeping over, my sister-in-law, and my niece might have to stay over while they redo their floors. So I don't know, things like that I would want for them to have hanging space. So I don't think that this is going to end up here. So I think that this is actually going to end up in the upstairs attic. Editing note to self, just do a voiceover because I don't want to turn the TV off. Sometimes I do that whenever I'm filming. I just give myself some editing notes, because by the time that I get to editing, it's weeks later, and I won't ever remember how I originally in my head planned how I would edit my vlogs, if that makes sense. So in the moment, whenever I am truly filming, I think, okay, this is how I want to handle it while I'm editing. And then what I was learning is that when I got to editing, I would completely forget how I wanted to do it in the first place. So I'd started dropping myself notes. And I thought I'd leave it in for you guys to see how cuckoo I was. But yeah, it's still been 3 weeks later since this, so I'm not really sure why I wanted to do a voiceover at this point. So I think I just had different plans and I just don't remember them. But basically I'm just, going through that process, going through the motions of getting everything unpacked and trying to figure out spaces. And it's really hard right now because I don't have any furniture. So I have a lot of decor, but no furniture to put it in, put it on. So right now, a lot of things are still in boxes or just out of boxes laying around. Yeah, it's just gonna take a minute, you know, for me to kind of get everything together, and I don't want to rush the process because, like I mentioned before, or I don't know if I put it in here or took it out, but there's no rush for me, and I don't want to just buy furniture to buy furniture. I really want to take my time to find like the right things that I want, and etc. So by the time that you guys are watching this vlog, I think my living room reveal is actually up. So keep in mind that the two videos are not, or the two channels are not synced. So it will, so obviously from this point of view, there's no furniture, but then the living room reveal on my main channel will show furniture. And then the vlog following this one, I think will actually be where I'm getting the couch. So just keep in mind that the two channels are never really meant to be at the same time. So anyway, I think it's hilarious. I kept this clip in so that you guys could watch Loxy, but she like legit does not move whatsoever. She just sits there and stares at me, and it just cracks me up. I love that darn dog. Over in the living room, I still have this up because I need something to sit on for tonight, and the couch isn't being delivered until tomorrow after 12, somewhere between 12 and 4. So I'm still gonna leave this up. I'm gonna inflate it a little bit more. It's looking sad. I use the blankets as like a backrest. But yeah, so this is the only piece of furniture I have, and the TV is actually mounted on the wall. It doesn't look like it, but it is. It just so happens that the two barely just make it so that the TV isn't covered, but it covers it enough that it's a problem for me when I'm trying to find the sensor with the remote, because the sensor is being blocked a little bit by this. But anyway, so my brother is gonna come over and he's gonna help me reposition the mount in the wall, and then we'll lift the TV up with it. We're probably gonna do about 2 inches. It's already tall as it is, so I just never imagined that this piece was gonna be as tall. I really did not. So that was my fault for not reading the instructions, but I love it so much that like I don't even care. It is the most beautiful piece of furniture I think I've ever owned in my life. And I got it at Nebraska Furniture Mart, in case you're asking. Then over here, I'm just playing with some stuff. Just playing with some decor pieces, kind of feeling some things out. I really want this wall to just be beautiful, but then I keep thinking, I don't know, is it gonna clash with the fireplace decor? But you know what, like I like things. If I were to just do fireplace decor and leave this whole wall blank, I think it would just look bizarre. I definitely think it needs something. I don't know. Maybe some beautiful like wall sconces on each side with like big like LED candles to give it like a soft glow would be really beautiful.